Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about the Texas snowstorm. So I think all of you have heard on the news there has been a big snowstorm in Texas. Snowstorms can also be named as blizzards. So basically, when I heard it was 9 degrees in Dallas, I was like, what? Dallas is on the San Diego level, so it's like San Diego having snow. But the winds come here, all the way from Alaska. So that's why it snows there. So here in the United States, if you make an imaginary line, like above the line, like all above this, like these states, Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana, if it keeps on going down, see, Dallas is above it. But then it didn't make sense. How would have Houston, Austin, and San Antonio get snow? They are all below. So I think it was climate change. So that's what happens when climate change. And then my next guess was that if Minnesota gets a lot of snow and all the other countries and all the other states in the north, I guess one day there can be a 100-degree day Fahrenheit. Okay, so then let's continue the line. And then see, it snows in Louisiana, even though it can snow in Louisiana. And of course, Arkansas, which is right above this. And then after that, it can snow in Atlanta, in Georgia. And it can snow in Florida. And then once they reach the Atlantic Ocean, then all the winds go away. So basically, I think it snows in a lot of states. Nevada in the mountains, Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, Montana, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Kansas, and I think I already said Kansas then. Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan, Iowa, I think I already said that. And then Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, and then North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, New York, of course, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, and Michigan. No, Maine and Michigan. I think I already said that. So I think those are all the states where it snows. I hope I didn't miss one. But that's it.